Simplify your cooking and baking with this pancake batter dispenser, perfect for creating a variety of delicious treats like pancakes, waffles, and cupcakes. With a generous 4-cup capacity and clear measurement markings, you can dispense with precision while minimizing waste. The ergonomic grip handle ensures comfort and control, while the shutoff valve eliminates messes, keeping your kitchen tidy and your focus on crafting delightful meals. Transform your kitchen experience with this multifunctional cooking robot. With 21 professional cooking functions and 11 accessories, it simplifies meal preparation across various cuisines, including Asian, European, and American. Enjoy over 2,000 guided recipes available through Wi-Fi connectivity, and easily control it via a 7-inch touchscreen or mobile app. This portable induction burner makes cooking fast and easy. It heats up quickly, with simple touch controls that let you pick the exact temperature or power level you want. It only works with magnetic cookware, so it shuts off automatically if the wrong pan is used. You can also lock the settings to keep them from being accidentally changed while cooking. Tired of wet shoes and boots? This boot dryer quickly gets them dry with warm air, taking just 1 to 2 hours. The flexible design allows you to reach deep inside even high boots, and the adjustable rack works for various sizes and types of footwear. An automatic timer helps save energy by shutting off after 2 hours, letting you set drying times based on the type of shoe. This exercise bike combines 3 functions: an exercise bike, a movable chair, and a standing desk. It allows you to work out while you work, watch TV, or listen to music. The desk is spacious enough for a laptop and other devices. 8 resistance levels help customize your workout based on fitness goals, allowing for quiet pedaling. A built-in LCD screen tracks time, speed, distance, calories burned, and more. This coffee mug warmer keeps beverages at the perfect temperature with its quick heating capabilities. It has 4 temperature settings, allowing you to choose how warm you want your drink, from a gentle warm to a hotter cup. The safety feature automatically shuts off after a set time, so you can enjoy your drink without worry. Its large heating surface fits various cup sizes, ensuring optimal heat distribution. This is an automatic salt and pepper mill designed for convenience and efficiency in your kitchen. It features a rechargeable battery that uses advanced Type-C fast charging technology, allowing for a full charge in just 1 hour. You can even use it while it's charging for those busy moments. The one-hand automatic operation eliminates the need for twisting, letting you easily control the seasoning amount with a simple button press. You can adjust the coarseness of the grind with 5 settings, and the 70 milliliter see-through container made from food-grade ABS material keeps your spices visible and easily accessible. This storage set includes 2 stackable shelves designed to fit most pantry cabinets and refrigerators, holding various size bottles and containers securely. Made from high-quality, shatterproof material, these shelves maximize space and keep your kitchen organized while ensuring easy access. The patented design prevents bottles from shaking, making it perfect for use in kitchens, bars, and other tight spaces. This compact 3-stage sharpening tool is designed to meet all your sharpening needs with tungsten carbide blades for quick edge setting, ceramic blades for fine honing, and a special tungsten carbide blade for scissors. Its strong suction base ensures safety, providing twice the suction force of similar products. To use, simply press the switch to secure it to a smooth surface. No need to hold it, keeping your hands safe. Small enough for easy storage, it fits conveniently in any kitchen without taking up much space. This steamer heats up quickly and can clean a variety of surfaces in your home. It's safe for use around babies and pets as it uses steam instead of harsh chemicals. You can use it on items like cutting boards, ovens, and bathrooms for deep cleaning. The design allows for easy handling, making it convenient for all your cleaning tasks. Searching for a cleaner way to handle trash? This automatic sensor trash can open with just a wave of your hands, keeping things hygienic. It includes a carbon filter to help neutralize odors, ensuring a fresh-smelling space. With a 14-gallon capacity, it's designed to fit neatly in your kitchen without taking up too much room. Craving fresh juice at home? This electric citrus juicer makes it easy to extract maximum juice with its auto-reversing cone. It has adjustable pulp control, letting you choose how much pulp to include, and all the pulp collects in a removable basket for easy disposal. The clear container features measurement markings, making it simple to follow recipes. Plus, it has a drip-free pour spout, doubling as a pitcher for serving. This insulated stainless steel wine tumbler offers the perfect balance of style and function. The ceramic-lined interior ensures your drink tastes pure, free from metallic aftertastes. Ideal for both hot and cold beverages, it keeps drinks cold for 12 hours or warm for 3. Its swivel pebble lid adds a splash-resistant touch, making it great for outdoor use. Sip in style while enjoying the full flavor and aroma of your favorite drinks.